4-player chess teams how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to checkmate one of your opponent's kings. Divide into 2 teams and place your pieces across from your teammate, with everyone's queen on the black spaces. Pick a player to go first, then play proceeds clockwise. You are not allowed to move any of your teammates' pieces. You are not allowed to capture your teammates' pieces. Your pieces do not and cannot cause a check to your teammate. Your pawns are promoted on the 11th row from your side of the board, or if it reaches the back row of an opponent's side of the board. En passant is not allowed. Checkmate and stalemate are only determined once the player being threatened has had a turn and a chance to respond to the threat, thus giving their teammate a chance to rescue them. Before the game begins, decide if you want to allow table talk and strategy between teammates. The first team to checkmate one of their opponents wins.